Welcome to the episode where I shave my face just for you. Let's try out this eyebrow razor. I received this from a brand and I'm going to try it out. First of all, it comes with this nice silicone cap over here that is very easy to remove. You just have to pull it out like that. And this is a blade. Be careful, it is sharp. There are two types of blades that come with the razor. This is the exfoliating blade, and then there's also a precision blade that comes for your eyebrow shaping. So these are the extra blades that it comes with. It comes with 10 extra blades. And so these are the exfoliating ones right over here. And these are the precision ones for your eyebrows. And this is the other blade holder that it comes with. And then you can use this little nifty tool over here to just pull the blade out. So let me just show you how to do that. Right over here, you see this little notch. All you got to do is just push it out just like that. And then you can just pull out the blade just like this. And then there's the blade and then this little part over here. So the blade actually fits right in here. There are these little, you see those little holes right there, just like that, those little grooves. And then you just press it together and then you put it back into the blade, into the razor right over here, just like that. And you can use this little piece to push it back in. There you go. Perfect. So I just replaced the blade or put the one that it came with right back and showed you how to do it. So it's very easy. I was a little nervous about it, but it was very easy. So if this is your first time using a face razor, you want to do it at an angle, so like at a 45-degree angle or so that it removes the hair properly. And you want to hold your skin a little taut, just like this, so that everything gets removed and you don't pull any skin. You can see the hair is getting removed nice and smoothly. Just like that. And I could go in right here. So it's removing the hair and also gently exfoliating as well. So it's removing the dead skin, which is great. It's very important to do this so that our skincare and makeup go on smoothly. This is a little bit of a trouble area for me, so let's do that. Great. Sorry, I'm getting very close and personal over here. It glides on the skin very nicely. I'm not getting any nicks or anything. I used a few razors before and this was extremely sharp and it left marks on my skin. So I'm so glad that this one is not like that. And you can use it to shape your eyebrows, just like that. So if I want to, pretty much for your whole face, you can use it in any area that you want. There you go. So I just went in and continued shaving my face, and now my skin is completely smooth and hair-free, and this razor did a fantastic job. So if you're considering getting this one, it is a yes from me. Hopefully it will help you with your personal hygiene and make you feel confident and beautiful, just like you deserve to feel.